The DA in Northwest opened criminal cases against Ditsobotla councillors Molefe Murutsi from the ANC, Manana Bukhatso from the EFF, and the municipal manager pretender, Mr. Olwatse Bojosinyane, under the Prevention and Combating of Corrupt Activities Act for fraud, intimidation, coercion, and extortion. Mr. Bojosinyane managed to gain control of the municipal bank account despite 4 High Court judgments against his bid to be reinstated as the municipal manager. All transactions facilitated by Mr. Bojosinyane is tantamount to fraud, if not theft. The DA has written to National Minister of COGTA, Velenkosini Hlabisa, bringing these latest criminal developments to his attention and urging him to place Ditsobotla Local Municipality under Section 1397, National Government Administration, as we requested in January 2025. Ditsobotla residents continue to suffer unimaginable hardship as electricity blackouts and water shutdowns continue unabated, while ANC factions fight over who is mayor and who is not. This must be put to an end immediately. While the situation in Ditsobotla is dire, hope remains. DA councillors in Ditsobotla remain resolute and will continue to serve residents, working with community members and business stakeholders to respond to service delivery needs until the situation is normalized.